Hi students, welcome back to Blackboard Tuitions. Greetings for the day, ma. In the previous session we have learned about integers, addition of integers and with a missing add-in, right? So if any number is missing in the additions part of an integer, we have solved it by assuming that particular blank as an x, right? So in the next continuation of these integers, we do have integer subtraction topic also. So we already know that integers are nothing but whole numbers which are denoted by W and which does not include the parts of fractions as well as decimal parts, and integers can be of positive and negative. If we see this number line, the left side of 0 part is all are of negative integers and right side part of 0 are all of positive integers. This is a number line, and for example 1, 2, 3 so on will be like positive integers, and -1, -2, -3 so on will be like negative integers. And as a note here, I would like to say you that whole numbers are nothing but with 0, and from 0 whole numbers are going to start on 0, 1, 2, 3 so on will be under whole numbers. As we discussed, integers are nothing but whole numbers, which whole numbers will be starting from 0 and we denote it like as 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Now coming to the examples of two examples of this integer subtraction, if we consider the first example, -2, -8, right? If here we do have an addition property and a multiplicative property of integers. If we consider here, see, if one integer is positive and if we add the another integer with positive number, we are going to get the result as positive integer. If one integer is positive and the other integer is negative, that is depends on the bigger number, so that will be plus or minus integer, like positive or negative integer. In the same way, if first integer is of minus and second integer is of plus, here also we can get the plus or minus like based upon the bigger number. The if we have -2 and 5, so 5 is having plus sign, so we are going to consider only positive in that 5. And now here if we are having both integers are negative, -2 and -3 for example, so we are going to give minus sign, we have to give minus sign and we have to add the integers. In the same way, in this case we are going to do. So there are two negative integers. So as per the identity of fourth identity of addition integer, as per the fourth identity of addition integers, so here we have to consider both the negative signs, -2, -8. So both are negative, so we have to keep the negative sign and we have to add the integers. -2 plus of -8, so it is nothing but -10. This is how we are going to do the first part of integers when we are having both negatives. And if we consider second example, -29 -21, here it is nothing but -29 is the first thing which we are not going to change anything, but here there are two minuses which will become plus. So here it is nothing but minus of -21. We have to consider these two minus like there is a multiplication part between two minus. So here minus of -21 which results in -29, minus of minus, it is nothing but plus. Minus into minus is nothing but plus. So 21. So here again we have to consider the two integers, which is the bigger one. 29 is the bigger one which is having a negative sign, so keep negative and do subtraction from 29 of 21. If we subtract 21 from 29, we are going to get -8. This is how we are going to do with the second type of subtraction of integers. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, ma. Thank you for watching. Thank you.